In this age that we live in, it is not easy to identify a Mennonite among the general public. We cannot judge a book by its cover, we must look on the inside. In like manner, we can't tell a true Mennonite by his appearance alone. Some people will say that they are Mennonites. However, their fruit is not showing it. I know of several Mennonite colonies in Paraguay that are different from each other. I will point out a few things of 3 of the Mennonite colonies. One of these colonies has very traditional rules. The overseers in that colony are very dogmatic about their man-made rules. Men must wear overalls and a certain type of hat. Also, the women must wear a very traditional type of attire. They don't allow rubber tires on their tractors, they don't allow colony members to own cars. Horse and buggy only. They don't allow electronics including cell phone. Plus many other rules. The next Mennonite colony that I talk about is different in many ways. These people are not allowed cell phones, electricity, except solar or dynamo-generated electricity. This colony does allow rubber tires on their tractors. Automobiles are not allowed. However, they are allowed to buy a car or light truck and take off the cab and convert it into an open-style vehicle. These people dress normal. Modestly. The third Mennonite colony that I talk about is different. This colony doesn't have restrictions like the other 2 do. Many members of this colony strive for the best house, best automobile, and so on. Going along with the world, the overseers and teachers seem a little shallow in their understanding of the Bible. The people of these 3 Mennonite colonies all speak Low German, Plattdeutsch.